Hello friends, I am one of the Camp Meadowood to Mars and Beyond leaders. I am here to invite you all to join us this summer, August 10th to 14th, when we'll have 30 space campers here at the United Church in Meadowood. I am very happy to introduce my robot friend, EP320, who will be here at Camp Meadowood to join us. Come over here, P320.
Reporting for duty.
Welcome EP320 at Mars and Beyond. We'll be on a mission to explore where God's power can take us.
I'm fully focused on this mission. Talk about the power of Pat's adventure. I can't wait.
At Meadowood to Mars and Beyond, we will discover that there is no safer place than where God is. When we are focused on God, we can have faith and be bold, show kindness, share thankfulness, and be full of hope.
Sign me up. I am ready for this adventure. What else will we do at Camp Meadowood?
There will be singing, science, art, crafts, skits, puppets, games, sports, and more memorable Bible stories.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't wait for the countdown to begin to Mars and Beyond. Tell me more so I can let all my robot buddies know too.
Each day, campers will explore a power launcher. Go beyond with faith.
Go beyond with faith.
Go beyond with boldness.
Go beyond with boldness.
Go beyond with kindness.
Go beyond with kindness.
Go beyond with thankfulness.
Go beyond with thankfulness.
Go beyond with hope.
Go beyond with hope.
Why don't you plan to join us to Mars and Beyond? It runs August 10th to August 14th from 9 to 4 each day. Registration is happening now. To sign up and a camper, go to ucim.org to get the registration forms link. Remember to pay your registration fee before March 31st to get in or early bird prices.